Hi, EduChain team. This project is being submitted as a part of the Open Campus Hackathon by EduChain in Lucknow, India. So my name is Shivani Mehrotra and the project's name is EduProvince, where we record verifiable academic credentials on the blockchain. So let's see how it works. The issuer, which is usually a university, a college, or an institution, issues credentials. The ID of each credential will be very specific. And then we have the candidate name. For example, in this case, it is David Matt. Then we have a college name, NUS Singapore, the course name being AI Engineering. And here we have the candidate wallet address and also the expiry year, which is generally forever. The university will issue the credentials by tapping on this button issue. Then the holder, who is the student, will get this the entire data, which he can share with various employers, other institutes on his wallet. And finally, we have the verifier. The verifier can be the third party transcript verification company, any other institution, or any other organization who wants to verify the certifications. So here, this is the ID number, and we can click on the get data button. So the entire issuer, verifier, and holder, all three of them are connected, as you can see in this purple diagram. So here is the new page where on the basis of single upload or multiple upload, we can add or issue the certificates. Like for example, in this case, we will issue a single certificate right now. So the student name can be Apurva Bajaj. We can select a wallet, a student wallet address here. We can choose a file. It can be a gold medal certificate from IIM Kozhikode. We'll add the student file here. The wallet address has been added. The certificate type is being written now. IIM Kozhikode gold medalist. The issuer name is the name of the university, the college, or the institute. In this case, it is IIM Kozhikode via EduProvince. Then you click on upload button. Finally, the certificate is being uploaded. Here we click on upload and we can see view certificate now. So it will open in a new tab where you can see the exact certificate which has been uploaded. It cannot be tampered with. There can be no changes in the certificate. So the verifications and we can click on the register certificate button. There will be a file hash displayed in orange right now. The MetaMask will open. EduChain testnet tokens are being utilized in order to make this transaction on the blockchain. Then we click on the confirm button. Finally, it is being stored and the certificate has been posted successfully. Now we can go on to view transaction. It is opening EduChain testnet block scout. Here we can have all the transaction details. Here is the transaction hash. It is showing L2 status and method, which is a success. So we have done this on this contract address. The contract address details are this. There have been 9 transactions. All have been successful. So the DApp is working very well right now. Now we can go to the verifier tab. We can choose a file to verify the certificate. So the same certificate is to be verified. We click on verify certificate tab. And now we have Apurva Bajaj, who has got the certificate type IIM Kozhikode gold medalist, which has been issued by IIM. The issuer address has been shown. The file hash is the same and it is issued on 9/3/2025. So the date is also clearly visible. When was it issued and also the time. So there is also a time stamp by UTC, that is 11:34. We can click on view certificate now. So here is the exact copy of the certificate which was uploaded. Now we can go to the holder and log in via holder address. We have to open the MetaMask once again. We click on the Connect wallet, connect it with MetaMask. Get your issued certificates, document 1, document 2, document 3. So it will be displayed like this. And we can click on View Certificate tab to view the certificate. So here, again, that certificate is displayed in the Holder tab as well. So that's a complete form. We can also share it with further my colleagues, my employers, other institutes. You can write the receiver name and you can write the receiver email and then share it just by a click of a button. So if you want to see more records, we want to populate more records, we can just click on the manage access button to revoke the access. Thank you so much for viewing this demo. Thank you. Have a great day.